How to fix the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi not showing up on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're missing either the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth symbol in this bottom right hand side, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. So first thing you need to do is open up your Start menu and click on Settings. In the left hand side, click on Network and Internet, and you'll see here Flight Mode. Go and turn this on. Now you'll need to wait around 10 seconds and then you can try turning this back off, and you can check to see now if your Wi-Fi is working. Now if you still can't see either the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi, then go and click on Advanced Network Settings, click on the Network Reset button, click on Reset Now, and then press Yes. Now once you've done this, you will need to go and restart your computer, and once again check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, the final solution is to try power cycling your device. Now to do this, you need to make sure your laptop is turned on like you see here, and then go and unplug the power cable from the laptop like so. Now you need to hold down the power button for 30 seconds, and eventually the screen is going to go black. Just continue to hold this button down. So make sure you wait the full 30 seconds. You can then go and release this button. You can try powering your laptop back on, and once it's turned back on, you should then be able to access both the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi.